Customer care specialists offer support for both our inside and outside sales force along with our customers. They play a key role when a customer places an order to ensure the necessary steps are taken to meet their delivery expectations. Inside sales are assigned a specialist to assist in the process. They follow up with our vendors to confirm that they have processed the order, part numbers and pricing are correct, and when we can expect delivery. We pride ourselves in keeping the customer and sales department informed if there are any issues with meeting their delivery requirements. They have a variety of functions essential to the sales process to ensure customer satisfaction. They're responsible for processing returns and credits, and they work closely with our accounting department. They handle numerous inquiries from our customers, such as working to improve delivery, locate and gather information as requested, or provide proof of deliveries, packing lists, and invoices. They work to resolve or correct issues regarding incorrect or damaged parts. The outside sales department relies on the customer care specialists for their assistance when needed. They provide backup on the switchboard for the receptionists. This role requires someone with excellent communication and customer service skills, along with the attention to detail. They need to be able to multitask and have the capability to prioritize their workload. Our receptionists play an important role for the company. They provide the first impression of CBT. We pride ourselves that no one is going to call in and get a recording. Mr. Stahl has believed in that from the day he acquired CBT to the present day. They're responsible for directing calls to the appropriate person, greeting visitors, and providing information when necessary. They organize conference and meeting room bookings. They assist accounting with invoices and receive and sort mail. They manage incoming emails and assist the customer care specialist with purchase order acknowledgments from our vendors. They review and update purchase order reports. The receptionist and customer care specialist assistants are a key factor in helping us to stand out from the competition and provide a positive impression of CBT.